going to show you my favourite coleslaw recipe. So to start, get your red cabbage, get a sharp knife. I'm going to cut about a quarter of the way. Chop your cabbage lengthways. I like doing mine in like cubes, but some people like to grate it, but it's up to you how you like it. Now that's chopped how I like it. I'm going to now transfer it to a bowl. You can use white cabbage, but I prefer red cabbage in my coleslaw. Next, we're going to get your 1 carrot, grate it all down. If you have got a food processor, I'd recommend that you use that because it can be quite tiring. This last bit is so impossible to grate, so I'm just going to eat it. Now I'm going to add it to my bowl. Now I'm going to mix it with my hands. I love how the colours contrast together. Add in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 capfuls of cider vinegar. And then I'm going to give it a mix. I'm using 2 spoons because I need to incorporate it properly. This coleslaw is great with chicken schnitzel, chicken salad. You can put it in your sandwich. You can have it on the side with your chips. It honestly can go with anything. I even eat it on its own. It's also perfect if you're having a barbecue. You can put it with all the salad. And to finish off the recipe, I'm going to add a dash of white pepper and a nice pinch of salt. Give it a good mix.